Can you hear me now? Oh, there we go. You should be able to hear me now, right? Will Stalker, can you hear me okay? You should be able to hear me now. Gotcha. Super. Jeepers, I thought that was turning into a bit of a nightmare. All right, glad we've sorted out here. I just need to get a couple of charts up. I just wanted to get back on, get everyone back up again, because also I didn't really say goodbye to anybody. Mellow Stacker, we hear you. Fantastic. The Eagle has landed. Essentially, I was only going to stream until 7, so we'll have to just wait and see. I'll just check all the charts again. Donkey kicked the mic. Yeah, it was the donkeys were just outside the door here just earlier, actually. Silver Ripples driving the rain, but we'll be listening though. Thanks, Silver Ripples. Unfortunately, I had a bit of a technical issue on the first one, so I've had to restart. So we're probably not that far in towards the end, actually. Silver Junkie, hey! It's Fat Albert. But thanks for listening anyway, Silver Ripples. If you haven't checked out Silver Ripples' channel, he's currently at 170 subs. Doesn't have any content right now. He does have some good playlists though, so definitely worth a look at. Coin Collector. Awesome. Okay, so the big winner today so far is Platinum. Platinum. That is the biggest winner on the day. And I mean, hi all. We got Cornwall Craig is here as well. Hi there, Cornwall Craig. How are you doing? How are things your end? Cornwall Craig currently has 274 subscribers. Posted a video about a week ago. I'm back with a mail call. Looks like a George VI coin. Definitely worth a look. He does a lot of coin roll hunting as well. So in case you're not subbed him, check him out. Just waiting for this paste to load up here. Here we go. Oh, there's the platinum bar is going to show up. Platinum bar. Will Stalker says, besides talking bullion, what's a channel I can watch with graded coins? Have you seen Nuzma's Stacker? Oh, there we go. Coin Collector's got it. Nuzma's Stacker. Okay, there we go. We're on platinum on the 4 hour. We're 4 minutes into the new candle, and it's red to start with. So it'll be interesting to see if we're going to see a bit of a pullback here. 835. We've already had a pullback in regards to that $15 drop. Let's see if it'll continue. Gold still at $1,409 an ounce. Silver not looking too bad either. He has more than anyone else. Yeah, he tends to just do graded coins, and he talks a lot about them as well. So definitely one filler I would consider. Yeah, he gets graded for people though, and others. Yeah, it seems that way. He seems to organize that. Okay, gold still at 1530, holding out. Palladium. Let's check out Palladium. So interesting pricing, the way things are at the minute. Conrad Craig says Brian Hooper and Michael Kittle, rare coins are some nice graders. Okay, that's interesting. Definitely check those recommendations there by Conrad Craig. Okay, Palladium down $7.42. Most people have some videos with some graded, but very few are devoted just graded coins. That's interesting. Well, that sounds like a nice niche for somebody. If someone just does graded coins, probably wouldn't be a bad idea for content wise. Okay, we got Bitcoin there. Oh. Okay, Bitcoin. Bit of sideways consolidation, bit of red at the minute. Price of Bitcoin $11,860 an ounce. No, an ounce. Sorry, for one Bitcoin. I'm always up for trades for graded coins. Okay, so there we go. That's our silver is flowing nicely. So we're going to try and see if we can keep that going sideways for now, and then hopefully pop a bit further up as we consolidate currently. Okay, that's on the 4 hourly. Wilson says, I'm always up for trades with graded coins. And the last message there from Coin Collector, most people have some videos with some graded, but very few are devoted. Coin Collector says, I would like to see silver reach $17 this year. I think you and many other people there, Coin Collector. It'd be great to see some decent movement in silver. Totally agree. Hopefully, with regards to all these interest rate cuts that are happening for this year, pretty much across the world, because if the US are going to cut rates, then most likely everyone else is. So hopefully, it'll have a nice knock-on effect, and we should see a higher silver price. I mean, if you think about it, $17 isn't that far away. It's $1.70 away. It's 10%. There has to be at least a 10% move in silver. Based on that news alone. So we got eight currently in the live stream with a large profit. I'd like to see it hit $10 in your dreams, buddy. Will's talking there. He's saying so he wants to see silver at $10. Oh man, that would be fantastic. So Coinroll Craig says it should move some with the US presidential race in 2020. That's interesting as well. So hopefully in regards to this year, in regards to rates and that, and of course the Chinese and Russians buying gold, that's at least good news in general. That's got to be worth at least 10% move in silver. I would probably consider that coin collector. $17. I think that would be pretty fair in regards to if it doesn't reach 17 based on that news. I don't know what will. Keep America great, says Coin Collector. Let's have a look here. Okay, so platinum's the biggest winner on the day. Gold at 14.10 currently. We're 10 minutes into the new candle. Bit of green forming. Bitcoin at 18,800. Silver just trading at about 15.30. let's have a look. That's pretty much it in regards to the market. It says here gold to close best month since 2016. Palladium jumps to 3-month to 3-month high. Let's see what all that is about. Obviously, we know Palladium jumped up recently. Okay, this was posted today. It says gold and other metals are trading positive in the last week, in the last day of the week, as investors are nervous ahead of the well-awaited meeting between Trump and Xi. Some risk aversion is hurting the dollar, giving power to gold buyers. But I'm not seeing much activity on that front. So it's saying it's giving power to gold buyers, but there's not much happening on gold. Investors are also focused on the end of the month and the quarter. They are trading in month-end rebalances trades as they want to book profits to be included in their books on Thursday. Some profit taking was identified, and Friday is not the exception, as today will be the latest the latest trading day of the month. So be aware the divergence that could be signaling profit taking at month end is rebalancing. So it doesn't necessarily mean that it's something negative in the market. It just sounds like they're rebalancing for profits. So hopefully we should see a move. Although gold, precious metals don't operate on the weekends, cryptocurrencies trade pretty much 24/7. So it'll be interesting to see what happens on the crypto fronts over the weekend. Gold is trading positive on Friday. However, the unit is losing some ground in the latest hours as the market is not confident about the resolution in the trade war. Currently, gold to USD is trading at $1,413. Technical indicators suggest that a consolidation phase is undergoing, which is what I mentioned earlier. That's basically what I'm seeing, that sort of sideways trade movement. So if we have a look at gold, we're sort of seeing this movement here. And likewise here too. So we could well see some sideways movement. We can definitely see that visible in silver currently, as we see this up and down the movement, but within a tight band range. So I don't disagree with that. Let's have a look. Where was I now? According to experts, gold has been fueled by risk aversion. Okay, yeah, we were at the top of this. The Federal Reserve hinted a possible rate cut in the meeting of July, giving extra power to gold USD. Metal prices, silver is trading down for fourth for the consecutive day as investors are closing positions. Okay, well, according to this though, silver's up. So that was obviously when they did this earlier. Palladium is down on Friday, but earlier in the day it jumped to new trade highs. So we've got 6 in the chat now. Increase in demand for platinum in industry, I think, silver ripples. So why is platinum rising? Is this more demand for it? Copper is ready to close in its first positive month as the mineral managed the post 3-week gains in a row. So it's obviously gone up. Wow. $2.61 to test the 274 area per pound. Platinum is posting small gains on Friday as the unit is trading 0.3. Well, that was obviously earlier today because platinum is up 2.62% currently. This article was originally posted on FX Empire, and that says the FX Empire Mauricio Carrillo. Interesting. Looks like the markets are in the green. No, Dow up 50 points. S&P 500 up almost 10 points. The Nasdaq up 18 points. Crude oil down 59.29. Cheers, Craig. Take care, my friend. Thanks very much for dropping in. Have a great evening there. I'm pretty much going to wrap things up here now. So Bitcoin, I'm definitely going to see over the weekend. I suspect we're going to break that 12K. That's my indication on it. I think, yeah, we're definitely heading that direction. It has broken, it has touched it and come back down again, but we're definitely going to go up there. So probably 12.5 over the weekend. Silver going to consolidate for now, so it's going to be in this tight range. until we hear some positive news out of developments. But I suspect we are going to start seeing it move up. Next target pretty much is the 1540 level, but this is a resistance level currently at 1531. We break that, and we will get to 1540. Palladium, not really. It's, you know, this. What can you say about Palladium? It's on an upward trend, so even though it's down $7. Palladium's still looking good. So be interesting to see. There's not much selling too, so it looks like they want higher prices there for Palladium. Platinum as well, looking great. So that we might see a bit of a pullback based on these previous candles. We can always see whenever the candle goes up, there's always some degree of a pullback. So it'll be interesting to see what happens here. But there's not going to be much trading happening, as that article was saying there. You know, people tend to close out their profits for the month. So probably just some sideways consolidation trading for now, and then we'll pick up on Monday. Gold too. Gold just trading sideways. Well, even though we've got you know, pretty much over the last 3 days we had hit a bit of a sell-off, but I'm thinking it's going to stabilize in this sort of area here. Next targets, we're probably looking at about the 420. We break that 420, we'll be up to 430. 1440 is probably the big one, and then once we get above that, 1460 to 1480. So we'll keep an eye on that. Alex Cornwall Hunter. Hey Alex, how are you doing? Just wrapping things up here. Sorry, I had to restart. We've lost a few people there, but I suppose technical issues. Will Stalker, who is streaming next? Not really sure, Will Stalker. Just hit your subscribe button, then you'll see exactly who's live streaming. Did anyone see Provident Metals' recent sale? No, I didn't. I didn't see that actually. You should definitely check that out for the American buyers. Has anyone gotten anything? I picked up some metal. I got some. I got an unboxing video to upload later. But yeah, I picked up some silver a couple of weeks back, so it finally arrived. There was a pre-sale of some stuff, so I was just waiting for it to come in. But I'll definitely be uploading that video shortly. But that's pretty much where it leaves us now. Turn off camera. There we go. Thanks everyone for joining me on this live stream. Just finishing up. Hope you guys have a fantastic evening where you are. Have a great weekend. I'll be uploading some videos over the weekend, so I'm sure you'll probably see them. Thanks, Alex, for dropping in. Likewise with Coin Collector, World Stalker, Andre G, Mellow Stacker, Coinroll Craig, Silver Ripples. We also had Health Babe on the first part. So definitely thanks to Health Babe for dropping in. Well, I mentioned Mellow Stacker there, Coin Collector, Robbie Nationalist as well, Silver Junkie. I think I've got everybody. Andre G, thanks, buddy. I will see you guys on the next one. So I'll probably be streaming again probably next week. So we'll see what the time lies. Hopefully we should have some good feedback. There should be something good report. Today has been really a quiet day all around. So hopefully we'll post some gains. Take care, everyone, and have a fantastic evening.